Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it is time for another unboxing. I've got my February Uniquely Creative Club kit of the month, or whatever you call it. So I'm just going to grab it all out of the box. Whoa, trying to drop everything. Move the box out of the way. Now I've got a few extra things which I will move aside, and then we'll go through what is included in the kit for February. Alright, so we'll start with the paper, because everything is based around the paper, and it is called Serenity, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Purples, mint greens, my colors. I love it. So look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Sorry about the crinkling. I'll just get it out of the paper so you can check out out of the packet. Oh gosh, so we can check out the papers is what I meant to say. And yes, I'm still not creating, but I feel the urge coming back, so I may be back with a video very soon. I think I've done 3 or 4 unboxings in a row, and I haven't actually created anything. I'm hoping that's going to change this weekend. Alright, so this is the 12 by 12 collection pack, Serenity. On the back you get some cut aparts, which are very cool, beautiful, and I love how they now, for the sentiments, I hope you can see that they have a line around them, so it's easier to cut them out, fussy cut them out. That is brilliant. And also, if you've got a scan and cut, you scan in, hopefully it will pick up that line, and that's where it will cut. That is so good, because these are tricky to get the scan and cut to scan them properly. So that is really cool. I like that idea. Got the cute little fairy girls. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, so this first paper is called Harmony, and look at that. Stunning. I love the check, the gingham check, and the gorgeous florals. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Sorry, I can't seem to talk. And then the reverse side is the beautiful mint in the gingham check. Okay, and that is the same. So 2 sheets of each. And then this one, oh my goodness, beautiful. This one is called Serene. Love it. And the reverse side is this gorgeous mint green. It's got like a hash type of pattern on it. Beautiful. And then we have Tranquil. Again, beautiful, delicate florals with a watercolor look. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk tonight. Whew. And then the mint green stripes, like a paint brush type of stripe. Really cool. Then we have the beautiful gingham check and the like wisteria. Oh, it's stunning. And this one is called Serenity. Beautiful. And the reverse is a beautiful mint green and mint green spots on it. Very, very pretty. Then we have Whisper. Oh, these are stunning. I love these. They're all different, like really beautiful. And then we've got some wood grain on the back. Very cool. And then we have Glimmer, which you can either use like that or cut apart. Fussy cut all these out if you game. Really pretty. And the back is this gorgeous little floral with spots, different colored spots. They're all purples but different shades on the back. And that is that one. Then we have Essence, which has journaling pieces or cluster bases. This looks like it makes up a little, like an envelope to tuck journaling in. That's really cool. Very nice. And then on the back we've got this Looks like, reminds me of my bench top I had in my kitchen in Sydney, but that was all in browns and bones, beiges. But this is like a purple, what's it called? Essence. It's like a stone type of look. Anyway. And then we have this one, which is Radiance. And that is the cut apart sheet. Beautiful icons, a cute little deer, owl, bird, butterflies. Is that a raccoon? Mushrooms, a fairy house, more mushrooms, bunny rabbit, tree stump. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. That looks like an Outback toilet. It's this fairy door house thing, but reminds me of the Outback toilets. Anyone in Australia who's in my era and older will understand the Outback toilets down the garden path. Grew up with one of them. And then on the back is this beautiful, it's not fleur-de-lis, but it's, the name escapes me, but it's really pretty. Very nice. So they're the papers. And then in the kit you also get a slimline fold-out album. This is cool. So let me just grab this out. Look at that. That is stunning. So you don't have to make it up yourself. It is pre-scored and folded, ready to decorate. And the back, oh, so pretty. My gosh, it just keeps going. That is so pretty. You could do so much with this. Wow, that is really cool. So that came in the kit as well. And then we have a pack of rhinestones. Then we have the creative cuts. So these are the paperweight, cardstock weight paper cuts. And I'm not going to pull them all out. You can sort of get an idea here. It's basically the same as what's in the paper pack on that cutout sheet. So you've got florals, butterflies, a fairy, the tree stump, the deer, more words, little word flags. There's tickets, there's the raccoon again, and the deer, lots of florals, and there's another owl. Yeah, so really cool creative cuts. I love them. They're so easy to use. Then we also got these lace embellishments. These are leaves, rose lace leaves. So hopefully you can see what they're like in the pack, and I don't have to pull them all out. And then we got the vellum creative cuts. Beautiful. And there on the back you can see, oh, look at the trees. Oh, they're so pretty. Lots of gorgeous flowers, some fairies, butterflies. Oh, stunning. And then what I thought was really cool are these photo mats mixed. So there is in here 2 by 3 inches, 3 by 4, 6 by 4, 5 by 7. There is 2 landscape and 2 portrait of each size, making 16 in total. They are so cool because going forward with my layouts, I probably won't be including lots of photos of people, okay? The photos that I will be including are of places and things, not necessarily people. So instead of the people photos, I'll be using these, which are really, really cool. And I thought they were so handy, I bought a second pack. You get one in the kit for February, and then I bought a second one because they are very handy. And then you get the magazine for February that has gorgeous inspiration from the design team with step-by-step instructions. So, you know, when the mojo runs away like mine has, I think I'll be starting with some of these. Some of these are a little bit fancy for me, but beautiful ideas and inspiration, and I think I'm going to copy some of them to start with. And the other thing that I added onto my kit was this die, and it's slimline die. Is called slimline scallop strip die. Oh, it's a mouthful, but it cuts out the outline scallop and then also the inside. So I thought that was really cool, so I had to have them. So there you go. That is February's kit from Uniquely Creative. called Serenity. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love these colours. I know a few people who love the purples as well. So now these kits are available for purchase by the general public, I think after the 5th. So they're well and truly available on their website, uniquelycreative.com.au. I got this, a week or so ago, and I've just got around to making the video. But so there's no guaranteed number available. Depends how many people they have subscribed. They get the kits first, obviously, and then the leftovers go available for general public. So they may be there, they may not be there. But if the kit isn't there, then the components will be available separately on the website, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I promise I'll be back soon with actual creating and not just buying and collecting and unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up and hit that thumbs up so I know you've liked it. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.